Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on TypeScript with React. So in this tutorial, we are going to get started with how we can start using TypeScript with our React application. So as you can see here in my terminal, I have a app component created. So let's declare some reactive variables inside this app component. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first import use state from my React library, and then let's create a first name reactive variable with a method that is going to change that first name as well, called as set first name. And here I am going to specify the type of this to be string. So I need to make sure that I'm declaring some default value or an empty string inside this. So if we try to now print this to our template, what's going to happen? So let's check our web browser. We are just getting hello as the default value is an empty string. Now let's change this to John. And now check our output. This time we are going to get a hello John because we just changed the default value to John. Now I'm going to create here an input. This input is going to have a placeholder called as enter first name, and also it's going to take an attribute, an event called on change. And let's call a callback function here that calls this method set first name and takes the value from that. Now here, as this is TypeScript, we have to specify the type also of everything. So you can see here that this E is of type change event. So I can just copy that and paste it here to specify the change event type. Even if you don't do that, it's still going to work here. As you can see, we are not getting any errors. And let's specify an optional chaining operator as well to be more sure about it. Now if we go to our browser and if I try to just say Steve, you can see that the output is working. The variable is reactive, and without even refreshing the page, the output is changing itself. Once we refresh the page, what will happen? The component will go back to its default state, which is going to be John.